The Tacoma Police Department's free inaugural multifamily workshop is scheduled for Wednesday, April 17th at the Star Center. The workshop covers topics ranging from community liaison officers to information on the crime-free housing program. It's designed to support landlords, housing managers, and multifamily housing staff with details on providing a safe and healthy living environment. Tacoma Police Chief Avery Moore is with us today to talk about the workshop and its role here in Tacoma. Chief Moore, welcome to the show.
Well, thank you. It is an absolute pleasure.
And it's an honor to have you here. So, Chief, can you tell us about the community outreach and education event on April 17th, what it is and what it's about?
So what it is our first multifamily housing workshop. It's geared specifically to give landlords, tenants, and property managers tools to help really make their job easier and to help us help them as it relates to fighting crime. So the overall goal is to provide education. There'll be several tables there with educational material on sexual assaults, domestic violence, human trafficking, and much more. But the overall goal is to show that we have this partnership, that we have this commitment with the community to really help reduce crime in the city of Tacoma. It's also an opportunity for us to work together, the community and the police department, because I've said this before, so I'll say it again, crime is everybody's business. We at the Tacoma Police Department take a lot of pride in what we're doing. These last 2 years, really in our history, we've prided ourselves in having low crime numbers. We pride ourselves in making people feel safe. And I have a great police department of young and old officers who really take crime personal. And this is an opportunity, again, for us to interact together and show everyone that this is what true community policing looks like.
Okay, and you did touch on this a little bit about the landlord and property manager and their role and the things that they will learn from this workshop, but can you speak a little more on what they can learn, the property managers and the landlords, as well as how they can help keep their tenants safer?
Yeah, again, it goes back to what I said. It's all about education. A lot of times you don't know what you don't know, and there will be subject matter experts there. So it won't just be me telling you this is what I suggest you do. These will be the experts in, if you will, tenant laws. So they can give you the actual laws to help make your job better. We'll give you the policing laws and rules. We'll talk about lighting and landscaping and fencing and all those little things that sometimes get lost that really do have an impact. Because crime is, again, it's really one of those things that appearance is important on both sides. So if you put a lot of investment in from community involvement, lighting, picking up trash, those things have a significant impact in how people treat your property.
And Chief Moore, can you also let our viewers know a little bit about recent crime trends in the city and what communities should be watching for? For example, maybe the latest dashboard stats? So
we'll have a dashboard subject matter expert there. He's going to walk the community through our new dashboard and how they can pull up information from crime, the calls themselves. So that'll be a part of this educational piece. And in that, there'll be some supportive stuff about what you can do based on you being an individual that lives there, you being a property owner, or the manager. So that's, again, the kind of overall picture, just to educate you with resources and tools that you may not know are available.
And then, Chief, final question, for those who may not be able to attend, are there any tips or resources, additional resources that you can share today?
Sure. One, again, is understanding that policing is not the only one responsible for crime. We're the face of it, and we accept that responsibility. However, to be truthful and accurate and just genuine, it's everybody's concern, as it should be. And we're going to, this year, start our first volunteers in patrol. And Mr. Smith, who you'll meet at this event, and I'm going to tell you when to RSVP and all that. But the goal is, again, to really strengthen community policing and working together to have the impact on crime that we believe we can have in Tacoma. So we're really excited about partnership. We're excited about growing our department. We're excited about getting better. I'm excited about getting better as a chief. You know, I would love to this year spend more time with my officers because I've been out in the community a lot and I've kind of neglected them. So I'm going to fix that. So you won't see me as much in the community, but that's because I'll be doing stuff more with my officers.
Well, Chief, we definitely appreciate you being here today, everything that you are doing for the community. We're looking forward to hearing more about the workshop. I'm sure it's going to be an absolute success. And again, just thank you for being here, and we look forward to having you back.
Well, thank you. And let me end with this. As you said, the workshop is April 17th. However, need you to RSVP Friday, April the 12th, because we have a max capacity of 250 people. We want to hit that, but that is our max. So please RSVP again by Friday, April the 12th.
Okay, and again, a max of
250
250
participants.
All right, perfect. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Chief. Appreciate you.